Hey everyone, welcome back. So before we touch any AI tool, any prompt, any lead code problem, we need to fix one thing. And that one thing is your mindset. Because here is the truth. Two students that can use the exact same AI tool, solve the exact same problems and end up with completely different results. Let me tell you what I mean. Imagine two students, both prepping for interviews, both using AI every day. Student A solves 10 problems a day, whereas the student B solves just 3. And 6 months later, student B cracks the interview and join the big Mang company like Google, Amazon, and student A gets rejected, totally rejected. Why? Because one was using AI as a cheat and the other was using it as a tutor. Today, I will show you exactly what's the difference between each live on screen, and by the end of this video, you will know which mode you will be using. Let me show you what cheat mode looks like first. Say the problem is longest consecutive sequence, a popular medium type lead code problem, and there are many companies that this problem asked. So to solve it, we can simply go to chat GPT and a cheat mode student types something like this: solve this problem for me, longest consecutive sequence, give me the optimal code in C++, and copy paste the statement of this. So I just copy paste it, and when I hit enter, I will get the result. Like as you can see here, I get the complete code and its time complexity, its space complexity, and is in smaller the key idea. Like if I show you by copy it and simply paste it and submit this code, then as you can see we have successfully run this code without any error, and we got the green tick. Feels good, right? But here is the problem. Ask this same student a week later, explain why this solution works. Why did you pick the unordered set here? Why does this trick make it order n, the time complexity big O of n? Blank, stare. They didn't learn the problem, they just transferred it from AI to lead code. Zero school built. Now, in an interview, the interviewer is not going to ask you solve longest consecutive sequence. They are going to ask you a variation, a slight twist, and suddenly you are stuck, complete blank, because you never actually understood the pattern. This is the cheat mode trap. Now watch what tutor mode looks like. Same exact problem. I type something like this: I am trying to solve longest consecutive sequence. Don't give me the answer. First, help me understand the problem with a small example. Then ask me what I think the approach is. Guide me step by step. Correct me when I am wrong. And simple, ask the cloud. So it will tell you the step by step how we can solve it. And look at that. This AI is asking me question now. It's making me think. I have to come up with an approach myself. I might say something like wrong, like I will sort the array first, then I'll see what's the response. So it will tell us what's the approach. Like AI gently push back. Okay, it sorting does make it much easier to find consecutive numbers since they are all lined up. And now the consecutive is obvious. This works, but there is a catch. What's the time complexity of sorting? And here is the follow-up. This problem is actually solvable in big O n time. Do you think sorting can be get us there, or does it have a fundamental limit? As it totally told me that sorting is order n log n. The problem wants order n. And can you think of better data structure where lookups are constant time? Now I am actually thinking. I am making mistakes. I am learning. This takes 20, maybe 30 instead of 2. But here is the difference. What I learn in that 30 minutes is permanent. Thus, next time I see a similar pattern in any problem, I will recognize it instantly. And that's the tutor mode. And that's what this entire course is built on. So let me give you the 3 roles of tutor mode. Write these down, screenshot this, whatever works. Rule number 1. Try the problem yourself for at least 20 to 30 minutes before touching any AI. I know it's hard. I know it's uncomfortable, but you only learn when you struggle. If you skip this step, nothing else in the course will work. Rule number 2. Don't ask for solution, ask for guidance. The magic phrase is guide me step by step, don't give me the answer. This one line changes everything. Rule number 3. Verify your understanding at every step. Let AI is your mirror, not your brain. After AI explains something, explain it back at your own words. If you cannot, you have not learned it yet. And that's it. That's the foundation of this entire course. Cheat mode feels fast, but you don't build any real skill. Tutor mode feels slow, but it's what actually get you through interviews at top companies. If you remember just 3 roles, you have already ahead of 90% people grinding lead code right now. I apply this same 3 rule by myself. In the next video, we will pick your weapon, ChatGPT, Claude, and I will give you an honest comparison so you know exactly which one to use. See you there.